Hello guys, so today we are gonna make our own burgers. So the ingredients are lettuce and tomato, the bread.
Burger buns.
Here's
The patties.
the patties that my dad made, and here the cheese.
That's it.
And the mayonnaise. And let's
Ketchup.
get right into the video. The ketchup.
Don't forget to like, comment.
Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. And now let's start. So the first thing is gonna be it's not the mayonnaise. It's the thing. Wait, guys, always remember to wash your hands first. I already washed my hands because we're in a COVID-19. So yeah, I already washed my hands. Here, it's too small, so I think we're gonna put 2. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna put in my daddy's. This one's like pork chop. Okay, it's gonna be a long video, so I don't think. Okay. Next is the tomato. It's for my daddy. There. And the mayonnaise for mine.
And the lettuce.
Yeah, and the lettuce. And also and daddy's. He doesn't like onion. Okay, at the end, the ketchup. Guys, always remember how helped by your dad or mom. So my mommy didn't buy, is buying. So yeah, she
I
just
put the ketchup already.
Yeah.
Like that. And then the other one.
Oh, he's holding it on top. It's gonna be gross.
And then
Okay, and then
the cheese.
put the cheese.
One for you. And one for...
2 for me. I mean, just
Doon yung isa kasi big.
there.
Then, we will put it in the oven for 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
2 minutes.
2 minutes. Okay.
Okay.
I think it's not. Okay. Just stick off. Okay. Now, guys, we're gonna put it in the oven. It's already in the oven. See, Daddy's is like, it's like so messy. Mine is not. So, yeah, we're just gonna wait for 2 minutes. Oh, yeah. While we're waiting 2 minutes, I'm gonna dance.
Moments later.
Okay, guys.
Yeah, we're gonna taste test now, but it's a little bit hot, so wash your fingers. Yeah. Okay. Okay, 3.
Cheers.
Oh, yeah, cheers. 3, 2, 1. It's hot.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I forgot to mention Daddy put hot sauce on him. On his. The ketchup is a little bit It's so good. It's so good. It's so good. Okay. Let's buy it one more time. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Nom, nom, nom. Homemade.
Yeah.
Good.
You try it, Giselle.
Let's try it.
Okay.
So good.
And then,
Like,
comment.
share, comment, and subscribe.
Thanks for watching, guys. I say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Make your own.
Stay safe.